Huawei P40 Pro review in 2025. Is it still worth it? Hello and welcome to Techiata. The Huawei P40 Pro was one of the most impressive flagship smartphones when it launched in 2020, but in 2025, is it still a good option? Let's take a deep dive into its design, performance, camera system, and software experience to see if it holds up. Design and display. The P40 Pro still looks and feels premium. Its curved glass, aluminum frame, and quad-curve overflow display give it a sleek, modern appearance. The 6.58-inch OLED panel with a 90 Hz refresh rate is sharp and vibrant, even by today's standards. However, compared to newer flagships, the bezels are slightly thicker and the dual punch hole cutout may feel outdated. Alright, you've made it this far. Clearly, you're enjoying the review. That means it's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. Think of it as upgrading your tech knowledge, just like upgrading your phone. Let's keep going. Performance and battery life. Powered by the Kirin 995G chipset and 8GB of RAM, the P40 Pro remains smooth in daily tasks. It handles multitasking well and runs most apps without major slowdowns. However, compared to modern chipsets, it struggles with power efficiency and sustained performance in heavy tasks like gaming. The 4,200 mAh battery still delivers a full day of use, and 40W fast charging is decent, but many newer devices now offer faster speeds and better battery optimization. Camera is still a contender. The P40 Pro was known for its outstanding camera system, and it still holds up surprisingly well. The 50MP main sensor with our YYB technology captures excellent photos, especially in low-light conditions. The 5x periscope zoom is sharp, and the ultra-wide lens offers good versatility. However, the lack of 4K 60fps video recording and some AI processing inconsistencies show its age. While it's still a strong camera phone, newer devices have better computational photography and improved video stabilization. Software limitations. The biggest challenge with the P40 Pro in 2025 is still the lack of Google services. While Huawei's app gallery has improved and third-party solutions exist, they don't fully replace the seamless experience of Google Apps. Some users have adapted to Huawei's ecosystem, but for those who rely on Google services daily, this remains a major drawback. Final verdict. The Huawei P40 Pro is still a well-built phone with a capable camera system and decent performance. However, the lack of Google services and aging hardware make it a tough recommendation in 2025 unless you find it at a very low price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly flagship alternative, it could be worth considering, but newer options provide a more complete experience.